Hey Yoda people, what is up and welcome to my new tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you the latest trick how I got Delta Executor for my Roblox absolutely free, safe and online without downloading any modded APKs or any software. So guys, you can do it with your Android, your iOS or even with your PC. So for start, let's go to Google or any browser you have and navigate to this website. It's called bloxforge.com. You will find it easily. And then let's click on Delta Executor. You will find it easily. And then we will have to enter our Roblox user ID. So guys, if you don't know how to find your Roblox user ID, just click here how to find it. Or let me quickly show you. So go to your roblox.com on your browser, go to your account like this, profile, and just copy your profile URL. Why? Because in your profile URL, there is your small user ID. So make sure to copy your whole profile URL, and let's get back to our tool and just click here on this button and it will automatically paste only your user ID. So when you paste it, just click connect account and it should start fetching our Roblox profile and you should get user found and your name. So there we go guys, look at this. It's my avatar, it's my name. So now we will have to click only this, import new as Delta Executor. And if you want, you can select additional scripts that you would like to install. So I will select Overflow, Forge Hub, NICUs, Soluna. You have also Reds Hub. You can Google those scripts, guys, and test what they can do. So when you select this, just click continue. It will start connecting to the API. So make sure to subscribe to my channel in order to stay updated with all these kind of reviews and tutorials, because I'll record it more, guys. And let's see. There we go. Look at this, guys. API is connected. Our Delta Executor is ready and we already got our activation key, but it's not revealed. So guys, if you want unique key for you, I can give you because I can generate it. So make sure to comment down below free key and to like this video, and I will reply you with a new activation key unique. I will generate it for you like this. So when you come to this step, just make sure to click I'm not a robot in order to verify yourself, because there is a lot of malicious bot attempts. So just click I'm not a robot, guys, and we should get verified like this. There we go, guys. Verification successful. Thank you for passing the bot check. Delta Executor is important to your account, guys. Our user ID connected, and now our Delta Executor key is unrevealed. Look at this, guys. We got it. So the last step is to open our Roblox, right? And to test it, is it actually working? So guys, let's play Grow a Garden, for example. I like this game. So on Grow a Garden, we will test, are we actually receiving our Delta Executor? Let's rotate my phone and let's see then, is it actually working? There we go, guys. Look at this. We got our Delta Executor for free. Thank you for using Delta. Look at this, guys. It's sick. Bloxforge.com actually worked amazing. So guys, now let's test it. We imported 4 scripts and let's see, do we have them? So there we go. Look at this. Overflow, Forge Hub, NICUs and Soluna, just as we selected, guys. I will click on Forge Hub, for example. So we will just make sure to test it. Look at this. Game detected, Grow a Garden. Nice, guys. Now we will test this script, and if it's working, it will be amazing. So auto farm, look at this, guys. We have literally a lot of options and we got all those for free. Let me see, wait. Player, let's test some fun options. Anti-AFK, no clip, guys. Look at this. Player walk speed, let's test this, guys. Let me select this, just, oh, there we go. So nice, guys, look at this, it works amazing. We can do literally whatever we like with those Delta Executor scripts and also Delta Executor from bloxforge.com. So yeah, guys, that's pretty much it for this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed and found it helpful. Bloxforge.com is only website that actually worked so far. So yeah, that's pretty much it, and see you in the next video. Bye.